Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here, and in this series of videos I have been talking about the tools and the resources that I use to help me outsource my e-commerce business. And if you've missed any of those videos, then you can access this playlist here, Outsourcing, and then please subscribe to my channel, and then you're not going to miss out on anything in the future. Now, I've been dropshipping on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Bonanza for the last 4 years now. Bit of a control freak, so it's taken me a long time to bite the bullet and get a virtual assistant. Which is what I did about 4 months ago, and I now have 3 of them and wish I'd done it earlier. Now, one of the tools that I use is called LastPass. Now, LastPass is brilliant. You just need a master password to access your vault, and then it will save all the passwords of all the sites that you access. So you don't need to remember passwords anymore. It'll automatically log you in, it'll populate the passwords for you, and it's all very secure. But what's brilliant when you have a team is that you can actually share and give them the password without actually giving them a password. So all you need to do is click on that button here, and you enter an email address of your virtual assistant. They will get an email which they then accept the sharing, and that will then give them access, say it's to eBay. I'll give them access to eBay, and it will automatically populate the password without them having to enter it, so they never need to know what the password is, but they'll get secure access, which is brilliant. And then very easy to just delete them if the relationship comes to an end and they no longer need to access to your accounts. Just very quickly delete them. So a really useful app. You can have it on your phone as well. It is completely free, but if you're using the team site, then it's I think it's about $2 a month, but it makes perfect economic sense. You don't want to be giving your passwords out to everybody. As much as I trust my VAs, it just doesn't make sense. So if you want the link to LastPass, you can just look in the description below, and the details are there. And yeah, hopefully that was a useful little tool for you. I will speak to you soon. Take care. Bye for now.